What'd you find, Funky?
Sugar.
Funky, what are you eating?
Starfall!
What is that?
Sugar.
Can't quite get it out, can you? Your teeth just aren't sharp enough. Angel cake. Hey. Is it kicking in already? Is it seeping through the bag and you're getting some? Are you going to be hyper later?
Liquid hyper.
Very, very active. Can't sit still, can't stop talking. Your sister. What's in there?
Stop, hyper woman. I'm not woman. Yeah.
Not yet. She's a girl. When she's a grown-up, she'll be a woman. Okay, you're gonna do
Can I get a drink?
Funky.